Creating a personalized Easter basket is my favorite. They're great because they're keepsakes. And today, we're gonna take my love of tie-dye, which I normally do on clothing, but we're gonna actually tie-dye the lining of this Easter basket. It is a wicker basket that is pink, and then we've got this nice cloth lining that we're gonna take off and we're gonna tie-dye, and we're gonna be using this great kit of pastel tie-dyes, and it's a one-step, so it's super easy. Let's get started. Before getting started, make sure to remove the liner from your basket. Make sure to read your instructions and cover your surface. Everything that you need, including your gloves, rubber band, and a plastic tablecloth, comes in your kit. Fill your dye bottles with water to the fill line and shake until all the powder is dissolved. Make sure your surface is covered and you've got your gloves on. Use your rubber bands to band a design. Slowly apply the dye to the fabric, letting it soak in. Be careful not to apply too much, because if it runs together, it might get muddy. Now it's time to wait. I'm gonna let my dye soak in for 6 to 8 hours. I'm gonna wash it by itself by filling up my washing machine with water and wash it by itself, and I'm gonna let mine air dry, okay? I'll see you back here when it's done and ready to put back in our basket. I'm back, and check out how awesome these look. I love the colors. We've got these subtle pinks and oranges, and then our purples. All right, it's time to put them on the baskets and personalize them. I love how my tie-dyed Easter baskets turned out. Don't they look so cute? I know the girls are gonna be so excited. And best part is, I have so many other colors of tie-dye left in my pastel kit for other projects. Make sure you check out Tulip's website to shop the pastel tie-dyed kit and other kits. Plus, check out other great projects from makers like me. And don't forget to follow me at CraftBoxGirls and on craftboxgirls.com for more fun tie-dye projects. All right, that's it for today's craft. Happy Easter, friends!